Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you will learn to use the surface sweep, fillet, surface trim, and thicken. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a line here with 35 millimeters. And another line here. The angle between this line here and this one is 125, and the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 30 millimeters. Okay, so open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select a line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 35 millimeters and create another one here. And go to sketch dimension, the distance between this point and the midpoint, 30 millimeters, and the angle here is 125 degrees, okay? And now we will create this line, and the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 117 millimeters. So select line, click here in this point, make a line here and go to sketch dimension. The distance here, 117. We made this one, so finish the sketch. And now we will select the front plane and we will make this arc. And the center here will be the midpoint, okay? So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, and select the arc, 3-point arc. Make an arc here. Make sure that this arc is coincident with the midpoint, and go to constraints and select the midpoint, select this arc and the center point here, okay? Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 100 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. And the distance between these 2 points, we will use the 100 millimeters. Okay. Finish the sketch. We made this profile. And now go to surface and select sweep. And the profile, select this one, and the path, select this one. Distance 1, and operation new body, press OK. We made this surface here. Okay. And now in the surface, we'll make this two fillet, a fillet here and here with 20 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, modify and fillet, select this edge and this edge here, the radius here 20 millimeters and press OK. And now we will select the top plane and make this sketch here, okay? And the midpoint is here. So go to create a sketch, select the top plane. Select line, construction line, click here in the midpoint, make a construction line in the center here with 117 millimeters. Okay. I will hide the surface a little bit. And here, the first thing that we make here, we'll create a line and an arc and a line here. The distance between this line and the midpoint is 45 millimeters. And this arc here has 10 millimeters of radius. So select line, remove the construction line type. Make a line here, an arc, and another line. Make sure that this line here is a vertical line, okay? And this arc must be tangent with the both lines. Go to sketch dimension, the distance here 45 millimeters, and the radius 10 millimeters of radius. Okay, and now we will create, we have an arc here with 40 millimeters of radius and a line, and the angle between this line and this line here is 154.45 degrees. So go to 3-point arc, make an arc here, and make a line here. This line here must be tangent with this arc, and the radius here 40 millimeters, and the angle between these two lines here is 154.45 degrees. Okay, and here the distance between the center of this arc and the midpoint is 15 millimeters. Okay, so the distance between this point here and this line here, 15 millimeters. Okay, and now we have another arc here with 40 millimeters of radius, and we have a line, and the angle between this line and this one is the same here. So select line, select the 3-point arc, make an arc here, and make a line here. This line must be a vertical line, okay? And tangent with this arc. Go to sketch dimension, the radius here 40 millimeters. The angle here is 154 millimeters, 0.45. Okay, the same. And now we will create an arc with 10 millimeters and a line here. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 25 millimeters. So select a line, make a line here, make an arc, make this constant, and make this arc tangent with this line. And go to sketch dimension, the radius here 10 millimeters, and the distance here 25. Okay, we made this profile. Now to create the same in the other side, go to mirror, select the lines and the arcs, and the mirror line, select this construction line in the center and press OK. And now I will show the surface here, and go to surface and select trim, and select this line here, the trim tool, and now we will select the area that we will remove. So select the outside area here and press OK, and go to trim again, select this side, and the face that we will remove, select this and press OK. Hide the sketch tree. And now we need to add a thickness here in this body, and the thickness is 2 millimeters. So go to create and select Thicken, select this face. The direction here will be -2 millimeters. One direction, operation new body, and press OK. And that's it. Here we finish our exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next few videos. Bye bye.